Hey, creators! Welcome to the HitPaw channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you how you can create your very own soundboard using HitPaw Voice Changer. With this nifty tool, you'll be able to play a variety of sounds on platforms like Discord, games, and streams. Now, let's dive right in. To get started with this amazing soundboard, we'll first need to download and install HitPaw Voice Changer. You can find the download link in the description below. If you are first here, once you've got the software up and running, go to Settings and choose the microphone and speaker sources. Then go to Soundboard Interface. Here, you'll find a plethora of sound effects.
Oh, I've been married a long time ago. What do you come from? What year to go? What do you come from? Bacalado.
And we'll be continuously updating them to keep things fresh. To make it easier to use these sound effects in Discord and games, we can set up keybinds for our favorite sounds. Also, we can add keybind for stopping all sounds. Next, let's integrate our soundboard into the platform of your choice. Let's take Discord as an example. Head to your user settings, then to Voice Settings, and choose HitPaw Virtual Audio as your input device. And just like that, you'll have access to all the sound effects from HitPaw Voice Changer right in Discord. Now, let the fun begin with your new fantastic soundboard. What's more fun, we can also change our voice by HitPaw Real-Time Voice Changer. Check out our guide video if you need help with that. If you found this video helpful and want more content like this, please subscribe our channel. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching.